Alright, now let's talk about the Unix command in Unix or Linux based systems, which is man. So the man command is used to show the whole descriptions of in the parameter we will give the command name. So let's give a parameter as ls command. We talk about this in the previous video, which shows the content of list the content of the current directory. So if I hit enter, as you can see, they open the vim editor, vim editor, and it shows the command name and descriptions, and they are showing shows a lot of information regarding this command. So we typed man and then command name, and to exit from this, here they are showing the all you need is just if you want to know how this works, you can press H, or if you want to exit, just press Q button. So as you can see, I pressed Q and now I'm out. So we can use man to show the descriptions of man command. So I'll type man and hit enter. Now it shows the descriptions for man command. So we are using man to show the description of man command. So there by default, when we type, let's type man, see the main page for pwd command, it shows a whole bunch of details. So let's say you don't want to display all the details, you just want the quick overview of the given specific command. So how you can do this? Well, you can do this using the parameter by adding parameter, which is if, or we can say short. So if I type man tag if and then ls, as you can see, it shows ls and then says list directory contents. So let's try the pwd. It says plain name of the current working directory. Let's try the cd, which we covered these commands in the previous video. It says because the main page for the cd and some other commands does not exist, it says cd nothing appropriate. So they did not find anything regarding this. So we talk about the history command. Let's apply this, and it says history. It shows the history. So that's how you can, if you want to display just a short note for a specific command, you can add tag f flag or parameter. Now if you want to view the path to the that specific command, you can add tag w flag, and then let's add ls command. So if I hit enter, as you can see, user share main1 and ls dot one dot gz, which is the path to the ls command. So you can add you can display the path to the command that you want to explore about. So this way you can explore more about this. And if I see the main page of main command, there are a lot of information regarding this. So if you wanna know more about this, just check this out. Just type man and it will display a whole bunch of details regarding this man command. So let's try to view the short description of man command. So if I type man tag if man and hit enter, as you can see, man 7 and man 1, these are the kind of version macros to format man pages, and interface to open online and reference manual. So the we talk about this. So the main page actually works as a reference, the document viewer. So we are using the main to view the descriptions of the command that we pass. So here we are, let's say, passing ls. So we are telling man to view the content or descriptions of the ls command, and the same for field and so on and so forth. So in order to see any if you are get stuck and don't know what the command is used for, and what are the parameters that we can apply, just check the main page of that command. If I type nmap, and as you can see, it displays the whole description of and parameters that we can add to the nmap. So let's say which is network scanner. So in the end, even they will show you the example that how you can use that. So if I go down, uh, check the bottom of the main page of nmap command. So we will see, I think they are. So let's go down. As you can see, they are showing the links as well to how you can explore more about this command. TXT files, as you can see, CSRF, and some of them they are even shows the examples how you can use a specific command.